Question number 1. Which state government has launched Samman Sanjeevani app? Option A, Haryana. Option B, Madhya Pradesh. Option C, Gujarat. Option D, Rajasthan. Correct answer, option A, Haryana. Explanation. Haryana Minister Shruti Chaudhary launched the Samman Sanjeevani app on National Girl Child Day 2025. The app tracks benefits under the Mahila Evam Kishori Samman Yojana. Sanitary napkins are distributed to BPL women and girls aged 10 to 45 years via Anganwadi centers and schools. The app ensures timely delivery, collects beneficiary data, and updates monthly benefits. The Women and Child Development Department celebrates 10 years of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Question number 2. India hosted the second Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multisectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation expert group meeting on cybersecurity cooperation in which city? Option A, Hyderabad. Option B, Chennai. Option C, New Delhi. Option D, Bengaluru. Correct answer, option C, New Delhi. Explanation. India hosted the second Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multisectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation expert group meeting on cybersecurity cooperation on 21st January 2025 in New Delhi. The meeting aimed to finalize a 5-year action plan for strengthening cybersecurity among Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation member states. Key focus areas include information sharing, cybercrime, protecting critical infrastructures, incident response, and global cyber norms. India presented its Cyber Hygiene for School Children initiative under Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center, I4C. The action plan's implementation will boost regional cybersecurity and resilience among Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multisectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation countries. Question number 3. Nahargarh Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? Option A, Uttar Pradesh. Option B, Rajasthan. Option C, Gujarat. Option D, Karnataka. Correct answer, option B, Rajasthan. Explanation. The Forest Department plans to revise the boundaries of Nahargarh Wildlife Sanctuary to address legal issues. Nahargarh Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the Aravalli Hills, 20 kilometers from Jaipur, Rajasthan. It spans an area of 720 hectares and is named after the historic Nahargarh Fort, built in the 18th century by Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh II. The sanctuary includes Nahargarh Biological Park, known for its popular lion safaris. Question number 4. Which institution has published the Fiscal Health Index 2025? Option A, Reserve Bank of India. Option B, Securities and Exchange Board of India. Option C, NITI Aayog. Option D, World Bank. Correct answer, option C, NITI Aayog. Explanation. NITI Aayog published the Fiscal Health Index 2025. It assesses fiscal health across 18 major Indian states using 5 sub-indices: quality of expenditure, revenue mobilization, fiscal prudence, debt index, and debt sustainability. Odisha ranked first with a score of 67.8, followed by Chhattisgarh 55.2 and Goa 53.6. Strong performers excel in revenue, expenditure, and debt management, while Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, and Kerala are the worst performing states. Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, and Karnataka were categorized as front-runners, while Tamil Nadu, Bihar, and Haryana are performers. Question number 5. Pangsao Pass, which was seen in news, lies between which 2 countries? Option A, India and Bhutan. Option B, China and Nepal. Option C, India and Myanmar. Option D, India and Bangladesh. Correct answer, option C, India and Myanmar. Explanation. The Pangsao Pass International Festival was recently celebrated in Nampong, Arunachal Pradesh. Pangsao Pass, at 3,727 feet, lies on the India-Myanmar border in the Patkai Hills. It is named after Pangsao, a Burmese village 2 kilometers from the pass, and serves as an easy route to Burma from Assam. Historically, it was the route of the 13th century Ahom invasion and gained fame during World War II as a key obstacle in General Stilwell's effort to build a route to China. The nearby Lake of No Return in Myanmar is visible from the pass. The pass is also known as Hell Gate for its challenging terrain.